my god, I am so super bored.
Ugh. Oh my god, I totally have an idea. Oh my god, you guys.
What's your totally super...
Try these smoothies.
What are they?
They're rainforest in a cup. These are great! Woo! Smoothie party! Woo! These smoothies are great. Want a great time? Have a rainforest in a cup. Woo! Yeah! Don't litter. You're gonna ruin the environment.
No! Littering is good. We recommend you litter. Because by littering with our rainbow in a cup, it will grow a rainforest. A whole a tree.
No way! Cool. You see, we put seeds in these cups so that when you throw them on the ground, it'll grow rainforest plants. And when you litter, you will grow a rainforest. And by growing a rainforest, you will help the environment because rainforests rain. And rain is good. And stuff. So, throw your cups. Help the rainforest. Help the world. We hire local natives to pick our fruit in a way that is respectful and safe for the rainforest. They perform ancient rainforest rituals on the fruit. They believe it gives the fruit healing powers. These smoothies will make you feel good enough to believe it.
Catch! Everyone start bowing.
Praise the sun! Praise the rainforest! This is really good.
Rainforest in a cup.
Rainforest in a cup, apply directly to the mouth. Rainforest in a cup, apply directly to the mouth. Rainforest in a cup, apply directly to the mouth.
Rainforest in a cup, apply directly to the mouth, then throw it on the ground and grow a rainforest. Rainforest in a cup.